Hey everybody, it's Nash. I got a new post, a kicking post. I'm fully aware that nobody cares, but I'm psyched to have a new post. So I thought we could take a look at it. Yeah, look at that. So we got a nice refurbished post here. It's about 4 inches by 4 inches, rounded sides. Couple of feet into the ground, set in with concrete. Then we got a nice hemp rope wrapped around the kicking layer. And it's tall enough that you can base off the top and practice distance stuffing for your low kicks. So let's give it a try. So now I'm gonna try it out. Let's go. Solid post. Life gets you down. Kick a post. Or punch a post. Lash out.